baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little different. This is all about opening up my monthly subscription boxes. It has been months since I really opened up a monthly subscription box. I belong to 3 of them. Well, I did belong to 3 of them. I just recently stopped using the Sephora one, which is the Sephora Play box. But I opened up my Morphe Brush subscription every month because I love brushes. I mean, who doesn't love brushes? And my BoxyCharm, it's been about 3 months since I've opened up a subscription box. So I say, hey, why not do a video? Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you like this video, which I hope that you do. So give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you click that notification bell so you don't ever miss another video from me. The first thing I'm going to open is what I got this month. It's from the Morphe Brush Club, and it just comes in a regular envelope just like this. Oh, it has Morphe Me on the front, and inside every month you get this little pamphlet or whatever, and it tells you the brushes that they sent you, and it tells you what you can do with the brushes. So this month I have received, looks like 5 brushes. So this first brush by Morphe that they sent me is the Y18. I love this gold color. Okay, so they say this is a tapered blending fluff and deluxe pointed contour brush. So yeah, I can see this contouring down the sides of my nose. The next brush that I got in this little, it's called Y21. Is this the Y? Yeah, this is the Y21. And this is a flat definer and detail buff crease brush. So yeah, I can see it. I can use this to put shadow, you know, underneath my, you know, at the bottom. I could use that for this. I also probably would use this to carve out my eyebrows. You know, I'll use brushes for so many different things. I might use this to, you know, fix up my lipstick. So you my Morphe Brush Club because, like I say, you always get between 3 and 5 brushes, and it's so worth the $19.99 that I pay monthly for. And if you want to sign up for this Morphe monthly subscription box, I'm going to leave a link below where you can go ahead and sign up. And I think right now if you sign up, you get a free brush, which I think is worth it. So the next brush I have is this Y11 brush. This is the tapered blending fluff brush. So I could probably use this for my highlighter. Yeah, I would use this for my highlight. I probably would use this to dust off my powder. So yeah, that's probably what I would use this for. Put a little blush on. I probably would use that for blush. So this is the next brush. And this is just a Pro Highlighter fan brush. You can fan on your highlighter. I could use this as well to dust off some powder. And did I show you this brush? This is the tapered blending fluff brush. The last brush that I received is the Y22. And this is the detail bullet crease brush. And yes, this is definitely a brush for your crease. I can definitely see that for this. So most likely that is what I'm going to use it for. I probably will also use it to put a little shadow in my tear duct. So yes, this is what I got for this month in the Morphe Brush Club. 5 brushes. The next one that we're going to talk about is going to be my Sephora box. You get this little thing in it with the subscription box. But inside of it, it goes over everything that they gave you in the box. And then you also get this little coupon thing. Well, not a coupon, but if you shop in stores or online, you get 50 additional beauty Beauty Insider points with the Sephora. This is what it looks like. This is what I got this month. So my last Sephora Play box, it would be a nice box, but guess what? I'm not re-signing up for it. So I have this Tom Ford Black Orchid perfume sample. And then I have this Marc Jacobs 24-hour foundation. Never apologize for being youthful. They gave it to me in the color Deep. Let's see what Deep is looking like. This is what the Deep looks like. I also have this Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. Another thing I don't like about Sephora is everything comes so small and such a small sample sizes. I also received this Peter Thomas Roth heat mask. I guess a mask for your face. And then I have this, I'm going to spell it, BOSCIA. This is a lightweight moisturizer formulated with Queen of the Night Cactus for soft supply skin. All right, one last thing. I do have this Too Faced Hangover Face Primer sample. This one little thing, this is what I'm talking about. This is 1 or 2 uses. It's just, for me, it's just not worth it. Okay guys, so now we're going to talk about my favorite subscription box that I received in the mail, which is BoxyCharm. First of all, it comes in the cute little black and white box, which, as you know, I love black and white. And I can't tell you in order which one is which, so I don't know if I received this month or 3 months ago, but at least you'll get to know if you like the BoxyCharm. And so in this, it just tells me what I received in this box. It also gives me some coupons on the back. I have a coupon for Smashbox, 20% off of my next order. Laura Lee, Los Angeles, 25% off of that order. So the first thing that I see that I'm so happy about are these House of Lashes lashes. These are cute. Oh, I'll probably wear them in my next video. And these are called Heartbreaker. So I got some new lashes. Okay, this is for nails. A Desi Age Defying Nail Treatment, Sweet and Almond Cuticle Oil. I go, you know, to get my nails done at the nail salon. But I'll use it. I'll try, you know, I'll try it on. Okay, so I have this Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal. It looks like it's going to be a look at that palette. Okay, so let me go ahead and swatch. I'm going to swatch this blue. What the hell? Y'all see that? Swatch this orange. I got. Okay, so I have something from Smashbox. It looks like it's some lipstick. It's in the color of Fair Play Matte. Oh, this is pretty. That is really, really pretty. Okay, this is from Bang Beauty. Oh, this is a gel eyeliner and it's called Chocolate. Isn't that nice? It looks so creamy. Oh, yes. I'm definitely going to be using that. Look, and then it looks like I have these 3 from Wanda Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. And they gave me 3 of those. So all of that came in this one box. So let's see what's in my next box. So in this month, once again, it shows you a card. It gives you coupons on the back. This coupon is 30% off of Laura Geller and a VIP offer for Dr. Brandt. This doesn't expire until 10/15/18. Let me see when the other one expired. 9/30/18. So this must have been my September box. So yeah, that was good. I guess I was in order. So that was my September box. And now I'm getting ready to open up my October box. So first off the back, I see this full size Lorac lipstick, liquid lipstick. Ooh, look at this color. This is nice, dark and vampy. Let me swatch it like this. Look at that lipstick, y'all. Oh my goodness. That's definitely going to be a keeper. Thank you so much, BoxyCharm, for that one. Okay, so I have this L'Oreal Bake Blush and Brighten Tropical Hues. So this is a blush. And then I have this Butter London Roll On. This looks like, oh wow, this is an eyeliner. See that, guys? Ooh, this is nice. This is the Roll On. MAC came out with one like this. This will be really nice for your wing liner. So I have these 3 brushes, and these are by Alamar Cosmetics. And these are their 3 brushes that they sent me. This is the first one. The second one. And the third one. Look at this, y'all. Hey. Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. Look at this, y'all. See what you get with BoxyCharm? Okay, guys, so I'm on my last box. Once again, tells me what comes in it. I do have a coupon on the back. This box is old, okay? This coupon expired in July. But you know what? I know why, because I was so busy planning this surprise Disney World trip that I took my daughter on. Look, it's all damaged. Dang. I actually have this. I bought this from Sephora. It's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And I cannot pronounce the name. SOLJANERIO. The next thing that came in this box is going to be Batington lashes. Another pair of lashes. These are really cute, nice and natural. Okay, so I have a liquid lipstick from Ofre. Okay, so that's a oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, what's the name of this? Verona? Verona. Oh my god, it smells good. Like I want to eat it. I am hungry. But anyway, this is a nice neutral look. Oh, look at that combination. You guys see that? See that? Imagine this. You put this on your lips and then you put this in the middle. Like, hot damn. Like, was that not the universe giving me a color combination? Hey. Yes. Let's see what else we have in here. This is by JONTEBLU. It looks like this is going to be an eyeliner pencil and the color charcoal. I have some brushes also in here. You know, it's packaged nice. And these brushes are from Luxie, Luxie. So this is a duo fiber powder brush. This is their tapered highlighter brush. I love highlighter brushes. I don't know why, but I do. And this is their precision foundation brush. And the last thing that I have in here, I'm going to spell this as well, ALAMAR Cosmetics. And this is a beautiful palette. Look at those colors. So there you have it, guys. I did belong to 3 subscription boxes. I now just belong to 2. I'm thinking about getting a little bit more subscription boxes, but I'm really thinking about doing this once a month. So like I said before, if you want to see me open up my subscription boxes, please let me know. I'm going to leave the links below if you would like to subscribe to any of these boxes. They are so worth the money. Before I go, you already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be ask, believe, and receive. You have to ask for what you want. You have to believe that you already have it, and then you have to sit back and wait to receive it. So until I see you next time, my KKs, make sure that you have a blessed week.